If you're trying to play Roblox and an error code 319 pops up, well, in this video I'll show you a full guide on how to fix them. Just before we do begin with this video though, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, on your keyboard, press on Windows plus R, and then type in percentage local updata percentage. As you can see, click OK. A file folder will pop up. Go ahead and find Roblox folder. So basically what you're going to do is click on it and then click on delete. Right over here, click on delete. Basically, no worries, this is only the local Roblox cache. You won't actually be deleting the Roblox itself. So wait for it to finish. As you can see, it is loading up. Once you successfully deleted the Roblox folder right over here, close that out and relaunch the game and see if the problem still persists. Now, if the problem still persists, what I recommend, if you downloaded Roblox on your PC and you currently downloaded it on the Microsoft Store and not the website, basically what I recommend is basically open up your Microsoft Store right over here, and then check for any updates that might be Roblox and that might be causing the issue. Over here, Roblox. Check for updates. Just go ahead and click on the update and it should be fixed. Now, what I recommend, if nothing still works, basically click on your start menu right over here, add or remove programs, click on it, type in Roblox, go ahead and click on it and do uninstall. Basically what I'm gonna recommend is doing a fresh install on a Roblox, since it might be corrupted. So basically, error code 319 is game integrity failed, means the platform cannot verify your game files due to temporary file corruption, network hiccups, or security software interface. So go ahead and uninstall and do a fresh reinstall on your game. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.